Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the keyboard enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing two popular keyboards from Logitech, the Logitech K845 Mechanical Illuminated Keyboard and the Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Keyboard. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to design and build quality, both keyboards have their unique features. The Logitech K845 boasts a modern and durable aluminum design, giving you a premium feel that lasts. It also features an adjustable 4 to 8 degree tilt and a slim front, allowing you to type comfortably at any angle. On the other hand, the Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Keyboard offers a low-carbon aluminum top case, which not only enhances its durability but also adds a touch of elegance. Its low-profile keys and full-size form factor provide better ergonomics for a more comfortable typing experience. Now let's talk about the features and functionality of these keyboards. The Logitech K845 comes with customizable backlighting in 5 patterns, including white backlighting. This allows you to work in dimly lit environments without any hassle. Additionally, it offers a full-size keyboard with a number pad and FN keys, all packed in a surprisingly compact footprint. On the other hand, the Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Keyboard offers smart illumination. Its backlit keys light up as soon as your hands approach the keyboard, and they automatically adjust to suit changing lighting conditions. This feature ensures that you can work efficiently even in low-light situations. Furthermore, you can customize the FN keys, assign backlighting effects, and enjoy multi-device control with Logi Options Plus. Connectivity and battery life are crucial factors to consider when choosing a wireless keyboard. The Logitech K845 is a wired keyboard, so you don't have to worry about connectivity issues. However, it may limit your mobility compared to a wireless option. On the other hand, the Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Keyboard offers multi-device connectivity. You can pair it with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth Low Energy or the included Logi Bolt receiver. This feature allows you to switch seamlessly between devices with just a press of a button. Additionally, it has a rechargeable LiPo battery that can last up to 15 days on a full charge or up to 10 months with the backlighting turned off. Overall, the Logitech K845 Mechanical Illuminated Keyboard and the Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Keyboard have their unique strengths. The Logitech K845 excels in design and affordability, making it a great choice for those who prioritize comfort and style. On the other hand, the Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Keyboard offers advanced features like multi-device connectivity and smart illumination, making it ideal for those who value versatility and customization. Both keyboards have their unique strengths, so the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability of these keyboards. If you found this comparison helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Leave a comment about which keyboard you prefer and why. Thank you for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.